Hi everyone, we're going to be going over Assignment 1, the Excel spreadsheet practice. So I have my screen already split into two. That's just kind of how I like to do it. There's no right or wrong way. I just, till we get all the information out, I'm going to keep this over here so I know what I'm doing. And the other one's already open to Excel. Excuse me. When you open it up, it should take you to a screen like this, and you hit blank workbook. But I already have one started. So we're going to go over here. All right. So right now, let's go ahead and save it the way that it needs to be saved with the proper file name. Because when I have everybody's up and on my computer, I can see whose is whose. Makes it a lot easier when I'm grading. Be a lot easier for you to find it. So File and Save As. And wherever you want to save it, I always throw stuff on my desktop and get back to it. My computer's running slow. Anyway, so then File, so there we go, Save As, wherever you want to save it on your computer, and then format that for you. So the first thing we're going to do is derive our first sheet as classmates. So we should say Sheet 1 down here. You just right click on it, rename it. Alright, and enter. There we are. Now using the, geez Louise, using the information that we got in the Getting to Know You discussion, we're going to put that into a table. So depending on when you guys started pulling the information from there, you guys might have different numbers, and that's fine. I'm going to do everybody that posted it on there, but only from Wednesday at 11:59. That's when it was supposed to be in. So if there's posts after that, they don't have to be on here if you've already started it. Just because someone else is running late doesn't mean I'm going to penalize you guys, everyone else, for it. So over here, all this information, make blah, 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 blah. Let's just read it here for you. Fill in the below columns for all the students in the class. At the bottom lucky number column, use the sum function to add up everyone's number together. Please follow these formatting rules for the sheet. There's a couple different ways about going and making a table. I'll start with usually the easiest way. Just go over to Insert, Insert a Table. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to want 4 columns. There are 13 people in the class, so I'm going to make it down to 14, so we have enough room for the names of the columns. So you can pull it over, or you could have typed it in as well. That shows us the range of where the table is. Okay. Up here, you can change it right here. Or you can even edit out the arrows down. They do give you more function, not something we're going to be using. So I'm just going to leave them there. First one was name. And favorite restaurant. We're going to abbreviate that one. Ooh. Restaurant. All right, restaurant link over here. All right, I can spell restaurant link. And then lucky number. All right, and we can see that we can't see all of what are in those columns. So we just go between them, double click, and it'll open it up so we can see what it all says. There we go. Bam. So that's the main information we need to get from here. Make sure your titles at the top of the page stand out. Make a table for all the information using the tools described in the overview videos we watched. So that's different. It's a little bit bolder, this top color. You can, you can change the tables any way you want. Whatever you guys want it to look like. So there's different styles in here as well. Just as long as it looks nice, I have some fun with it. So then we can go over and get all the information from the discussions. Now, if you guys want to write it on a piece of paper or whatever works for you, I'm all about copy and paste. So now you just go through all this, find everyone's name, and enter all this information over there. I will show you the end product. I'm not going to have you watch me through all of this. This is a little bit more time consuming. So I will be right back with what it should be looking like. All right, so I got most of the table filled out, as you can see. I just got one more left. I'll do it with you guys. Or I guess everybody's already done it, but we'll do it together. Are you watching me? Hello. Goodness gracious. All right, so this should be the last one. I do believe there was one more that got posted. That is not required to be on here. So this should be the end of it. If you did get the last post, I'm sorry, I don't remember who made it now. That's more than fine. You're not going to get marked wrong for doing the other work on it. So let's see what we all have. Dun, dun, dun. Favorite restaurant. So I'm all about the copy and paste here. And the links go over real nice. Why is that not? Yeah. And just once you highlight it, click it, you can drag it on over. That's not working out nicely. I can't see. There we go. 22. So we'll close that up. Let's go down. 22. All right. So that's everybody that is posted on time. So let's go ahead and we can make this screen bigger. So there's everybody on there, all the rows, the names, everything, sorry, columns and rows are all filled out. Like on this one, we don't have to, that's a really long link. So we don't have to, you know, you can double click over here, or you can also click on it and you can, where'd it go? Oh. Oopsies, I didn't mean to click on it to go, but at least we know the link works. That's good. Or text wrap instead. And then that will bring it down so your table isn't really big. And I think we could probably do it for this one too. There we go. So that's everybody that made it on time. And then down here, it's going to sum up all the things above it. 222. You could have also gone all the way down and clicked that. Same thing. You could have even entered out the formula. The sum, I'm really bad. Sum, I spelled it wrong. Of, you can click here. Oh, I still didn't do that right. Now you can just do equals. Click on that one. Through semicolon. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Right there. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh, biscuits. All right. Well, you can see I am not an expert in Excel either. I'm just going with the auto sum. Oh, come on. Well, I know it was 222. At least that's what I think it was. Try that again. Oh, nothing wants to work. There we go. All right, so that's it for this assignment. That's how it needs to be done. If there's any questions, I haven't gotten any in yet about it, so I'm assuming it all went good. Great job, everybody. The two that I've seen so far, they have been great. So once again, if you have any email or any questions, please email me. And thanks, guys.